Hey, what's up? Welcome back. In this video I want to show you how you can very easily remove backgrounds from images with Canva. And of course, as a website designer or a content creator, the use of high quality images is very important because that sets the tone, that sets the layout for your designs. So in this tutorial I want to show you how you can remove a background very easily, and I will create a new design and I will set it to custom size. In this example I will use 1920 by 1080 pixels. Doesn't matter which size you use. So now you can see the canvas over here, and now I will need a picture or an image to show you how you can remove the background. So now I click on this image over here. It's just an image that I found over at the photos option. You can search for a specific topic and then related images will show up. So just click on it. Now you can see that the image will appear on the canvas. So let's say I want to remove the red background and I only want to use this card, the Black Friday sale card. How you can do that, we'll explain you right now. It's very simple. Only thing you need to do is click on the image, so make sure it's selected. Then you can see this option, edit image. Click on it. You see that I already have background, but let's say if that's not the case, so I'll delete it. Now you see this, and over here you can see the recently used options. But if you don't see the BG remover, which means background remover, just over here go to the search bar, type in background, and then you will automatically see the option over here. So click on the option. Now the only thing you have to do is wait a couple of seconds, and now you can see that the background is removed. So now you can just use the image how you want it, and that is very helpful to create beautiful designs. A lot of times you see nice images and you only want to use a part of the image without the background. So now you know how to do it. You can use Canva for free. You also have a paid plan. So I also made another video about that. So my advice is go for Canva. It's a very easy tool to use. And now you know how to remove the background. So I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Also subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate that. And of course, also hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date on new videos that will be uploaded. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you back again in the next video.